Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And today I'm going to be rating the Shea Moisture products that I received in my first Sheabassador box. So I'm going to start first with the Shea Moisture Sugarcane Extract Leave-In Miracle Solid Treatment. I see something white there, but that's just the rest of the bottle. But I finished this pretty quickly. I really like this styler, so this is definitely a thumbs up for me. I would give it a rating out of 5. I'd definitely give it a 5 rating because in comparison to all the other bottles we got, this was pretty small, so I mean it was gonna finish quickly anyway. I'm gonna go on to talk about the shampoos. So we received the Manuka Honey Hydrate Plus Repair Shampoo. And we also received the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore. I like both the shampoos, honestly. I already used this, like if you're OG natural and you were using Shea Moisture when you big chopped, which I big chopped like what, 9 years ago I think. This is like, you already know about the Strengthen and Restore shampoo, so I already know I love this stuff. Honey, I liked it. Dry my hair out, which is good because I've tried shampoos that make my hair feel dry. Some people, surprisingly, some people did not like this shampoo as much. Depends. Some people liked it and some people, it all depends on your hair. Like I was talking about in another video, what works for a person's hair may not work for yours. So I think that's why I like, but I like both of them. I give them both 5 out of 5. No problems here. Next, conditioner. So I have different reviews for the conditioners. I clearly love this conditioner because, well, you guys can't see the difference, but I use way more of this conditioner than I have used this one. Granted, I only used this one once, but I used this one twice already. And when I wash my hair this week, I'm definitely going to probably be using this one again. I love this stuff. So this is the coconut, 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner, and this one is the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine conditioner. So for me, I definitely give this a 5 out of 5 and give this a 3.5 out of 5. I won't give it a 3, simply because this one, when I washed it with it, if you watch my channel, you saw like it really coated my hair nicely. I love that. It left my hair feeling moisturized and it was just nice. I can't explain it, but it was just really nicely moisturized. I could finger tangle through, go comb through, no problem. And I felt like my hair was nice and bouncy and full of life, and it made my curls pop. Now for the coconut and curl shine and hibiscus conditioner, I feel like this was more lightweight in comparison to this one. So this one was really thick to me. This one is thick as well, but it was lightweight. Like when I was putting on my hair, I feel like it didn't coat my hair. It was kind of like coming off my hair. Does that make sense? Like, have you ever tried a conditioner and like you put it on, but then the conditioner kind of starts to leave your hair, if that makes sense? So in a sense, this was doing that, and then I felt like I was pumping again to get some more. And for some reason, I thought this product was effective. And I was watching another fellow Sheabassador's video, and then she said, so I don't know, it took me a while. Like when I was filming, I had to like stop filming and literally sit there to open it because this wouldn't open for nothing. Like I sat there trying to open it. And there's literally a thing that just says turn to open, and it wouldn't open. It was like, it didn't do the same thing for me as the coconut conditioner, but it did make my curls pop, so I'll still be using it, but it's just not the same. But yeah. Oh, and we also received a brush. I did blow dry my hair before, but I didn't use the brush, so eventually I'll use a brush sometime. But yeah, it was a thing. I didn't see the video of me unboxing the things and the contents. I have a whole playlist, which I'll probably add this video to, but I also leave it probably at the end of this video so that you can watch my unboxing of all the things that we got. So we got 5 hair products plus the brush, so we got 6 things in total. But thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.